Question 1. Which expression is equivalent to 16 plus 56? Question 2. Central Square Middle School held a track and field event during the school year. The drama club sold various drink and snack items for the participants and the audience. Altogether, they sold 486 items that totaled $2,673. If the drama club sold each item for the same price, calculate the price of each item. Question 3. Find the GCF of 64 and 40. Question 4. Find the LCM of 12 and 24. Question 5. The sandpit for the long jump has a width of 2.75 meters and a length of 9.54 meters. Just in case it rains, the principal wants to cover the sandpit with a piece of plastic the night before the event. How many square meters of plastic will the principal need to cover the sandpit? Use the formula A equals length times width. Question 6. Find which expression is equivalent to 6 parentheses 2 plus 1 parentheses. Question 7. Matt has 13,872 boards to split between 34 workers. How many boards does each worker get? Question 8. A road race is 10 kilometers long. After the starting line, there are water stations every 500th kilometers, including at the finish line. How many water stations are there? Question 9. Mitch is buying hamburgers and hamburger buns. Hamburgers are sold in packages of 6 each. Hamburger buns are sold in packages of 8 each. A. What is the least number of hamburgers and hamburger buns Mitch can buy if he wants to have an equal number of each? Show your work. Part B. Explain how you found your answer for Part A.
Good morning, Fancy.
Question 10. The number 104 can be expressed as the sum of 100 plus 4. Use the distributive property to rewrite 100 plus 4. Show your work. Question 11. L.B. Johnson Middle School held a track and field event during the school year. Miguel took part in a 4-person shot put team. Shot put is a track and field event where athletes throw or put a heavy sphere called a shot as far as possible. To determine a team's score, the distances of all team members are added. The team with the greatest score wins first place. The current winning team's final score at the shot put is 52.08 feet. Miguel's teammates threw the shot put the following distances: 12.26 feet, 12.82 feet, and 13.75 feet. Exactly how many feet will Miguel need to throw the shot put in order to tie the current place score? Show your work. Question 12. Yasmin is having a birthday party and snacks and activities for her guests. At one table, 5 people are sharing 3/4 of a pizza. What equal-sized portion of the pizza will each of the 5 people receive? Show your work. Question 13. Kim needs to create invitations for the party. She has 3/4 of an hour to make the invitations. It takes her 1/12 of an hour to make each card. How many invitations can Kim create? Show your work. Question 14. Cassie is serving ice cream with the birthday cake at her party. She has purchased 19.5 pints of ice cream. She will serve 3/4 of a pint to each guest. Part A. How many guests can be served ice cream? Show your work. Will there be any ice cream left after you serve each guest? Justify your answer. Question 15. The PTA wants to cover the wet areas of the trail with wood chips. They find that 1 bag of wood chips covers a 3.5-yard section of the trail. If there is a wet section of the trail that is approximately 50 1/4 yards long, how many bags of wood chips are needed to cover the wet section of the trail? Show your work.